Welcome back, peoples. Alrighty, white chocolate and macadamia muffins. Oh my god, these go off. It's a pretty easy recipe. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And then you want to get yourself a Texas whole muffin tray. So remember, if your fist fits in, it's a muffin tray. If it doesn't, it's a cupcake one. So you want the muffin one, you want to do your butter, tip your flour in, mix it all around, over to the sink, upside down, bang it on the sink, get all rid of the excess, and then you've got your muffin tray ready to go. Alright, then you need a bowl. You'll freak out how simple this is. Alright, in the bowl I have got 2 cups of sifted self-raising flour and 2/3 of a cup of castor sugar. Alright, to that I add, you get 60 grams of butter and you melt it on low heat. You get 3/4 a cup of milk. You already have an egg beaten, and you have 1 egg you put in. Oh, now for the yummy part. You put in, is that half? Yeah, half a cup of coarsely chopped macadamia nuts. You just chop them coarsely. And you want 1 cup. I've got really good white chocolate melts, and I've just chopped them up. 1 cup of white chocolate melts. Oh. Mate, and that is it. You mix it up. These are crazy yummy. Put the recipe down below as always. Just want to make sure you can't see any of the chocolate or the nuts with powder on them. Beautiful. Alright. Move that over. Let's get 2 spoons and start with a heap spoon. A heap spoon in each. And then you can go back. Oh, this is so good. Alrighty, peoples. Now you want to stick them in as soon as your oven's hot enough. You want to stick them in. I'm pretty sure it's 25 minutes. Oh my god, my friends, you should smell this joint. Mate, white chocolate and macadamia muffins. Oh, look at these babies. Please. Oh, the camera does not do justice for how beautiful and big these things are. Alright. Cooling rack. Up as high as you can go. Oh, be really careful, these are so hot with the chocolate in them. Loosen it up. Oh my golly gosh. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, and that's bloody hot. They are absolutely stunning. They work out to roughly $1.25 each. It's crazy. And I mean, these are restaurant quality. They are, I can't tell you how nice they are. They are freaking amazing. Oh, you've seen how easy they were, folks. You've got to give it a go. Oh, they are just stunning. Look at that. Oh, I wish you could see him properly. Oh, alright, this one's got always one difficult one over there. How'd you come? Oh. Well, there you have it, folks. White chocolate and macadamia muffins. Oh, be the nicest thing you eat today, I'm telling you. You've got to give them a crack. I wish you could smell that. They are just beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.